Hi everybody! Ever felt like online shopping could be so much smarter? Well, imagine if your favorite e-commerce site just knew what you wanted, and even before you did. Doesn't that sound like something cool? But here's the thing actually. Retailers are sitting on the sidelines, hesitant to just embrace the technology that could make that a reality. I'm talking about generative AI, and the hesitation is real. It's real. And if I told you that there's a bridge that could help them to cross over, how about that? Would that interest you? Well, it's called Smart Search, and it's not just a feature, it's a game changer. So think about it. We've all been there, scrolling endlessly through pages, hoping to find what we're looking for, right? And it's like searching for a needle in a haystack, but only that the haystack is infinitely larger. And that's where Smart Search actually comes in. It's like having a personal shopping assistant built right into the search bar. But how does it actually work? That becomes a question. How does this work? Well, Smart Search is not just about typing in keywords. That's the first thing. It's about understanding what you really want, almost like it's reading your mind in a kind of way. And it uses AI to figure out the context, your past behavior, and even the nuances of your search query. It tries to figure it out. And it's like having a conversation, not just a search. Now, generative AI takes this to the next level. And imagine not just finding what you're looking for, but also discovering things that you didn't even know you wanted. So it's really like when your favorite streaming service, just recommends a show that you end up just binge watching all the way to the end. So generative AI can really do the same thing for shopping, creating personalized experiences that feel tailor-made for you. But here's the catch. Retailers are really worried. They're concerned about data privacy, the cost of implementation, and whether they even have the expertise to pull this off. And it's really understandable. After all, jumping into AI can feel like diving into the deep end without knowing how to swim. But Smart Search is the lifeline that they need. It's not just a tool, it's a strategy. It's actually a strategy. And by starting with Smart Search, retailers can just dip their toes into the AI waters without diving in head first. It's basically a way to see the benefits of AI without the overwhelming commitment. Plus, it's also designed to be user-friendly. So even if you're not a tech guru, you can still make it work for you. And let's not forget about the data. Because with Smart Search, retailers can gain insights into customer behavior that they never had before. And it's like having a crystal ball that shows you what your customers really want right now. So, the hesitation makes sense in a way, but the potential is way too big to ignore. That's also the other part of the equation. And so Smart Search is the key to unlocking that potential and making AI accessible and beneficial for retailers. And it's not just about improving the shopping experience, it's also about staying competitive in a world that is moving really fast. And the best part, it's just the beginning. We're just at the beginning. Once retailers actually see how powerful Smart Search can be, they'll be more confident to take the next steps with generative AI. And it's really like training wheels for the AI bike. So once you get the hang of it, you can then start to ride smoothly and you don't worry so much. So in the end, Smart Search is not just a feature. It's a gateway to a future where shopping is smarter, more personal, and more efficient. So for retailers, it's the perfect way to, ease into the AI revolution without losing their footing. So, are you ready to see how it all comes together? Well, let's break it down, and we've been breaking it down. And if this helped you, just drop a comment below, smash that like button, and let's keep the conversation going. My name is Ian Hillman, and at Store & Holtz we can help you with your AI implementation for support and any other things with Agentic RAG. So see you up front and stay on top of things. See you in the next one.